invitation by Chief Justice of Nigeria, inviting the Chief Justice of Rivers State as an attempt to yeah, bully the judge. Nigeria's judiciary is finished, dead and buried by APC and their supporters. The Chief Justice of Nigeria that has summoned the CJ of Rivers State. People are asking questions that has she cautioned the criminal judges in Abuja before summoning the CJ of Rivers State? Of course, for some of you who have not heard or not, are not familiar with this whole story because of Wike and Fubara's fight here and there, and that is not ending soon. And we have been seeing a lot of conflicting judges here and there. Yeah, conflicting case causes here and there. At times it will favor Wike's camp, at times Fubara's camp. I'm sure a lot of people who are politically inclined or who have been following the politics of this country, you are aware of this whole thing that has been going on between the godfather and the godson, which the godson feels that he is not going to be like that forever, because at some point the people is representing, the people is working for, they are going to hold him accountable irrespective of who brought him or who introduced or whatever. That is not the issue. It's just like you are, if you are a private person, having a private company, somebody, and you need people to work for you, and somebody introduces a worker for you as a company. At some point, you are not going to be holding the person that introduces the worker to you. The worker needs to take responsibility, because at some point, how you came about the job or whatever is not the issue. You have started the job and people want to see your performance. So if you are not performing well, you are not going to hold the person that introduced you to the company responsible, or the company should be holding the person that introduced the worker to you responsible. So it has to be between the worker and the company. So whatever you do, you can't say, hey, after all, the person that introduced me to you, go and ask the person questions. That is not how it ought to be, and that is the case between Fubara and Wiki. So before we digress, a lot of people have come to settle the matter, but it's not ending just because of a Wiki's selfish interest, and we know where all of these are leading to, and that's why somebody is asking that the CGN now is trying to intervene to call the judges or the Chief Justice of River State, I don't know, to come and do what, because they have given their own judgment concerning that. And this case is a case of the state, which a lot of people have been saying that it has to be treated in that manner. But because of impunity and we don't even know boundaries, a lot of things are done upside down or turned upside down. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, who feels that she has what it takes to do the needful, is calling or use her position to call the Chief Justice of Rivers to come and explain to what is it to bully, and that is what the people are talking about. You are summoning the CJ of Rivers to do what? I don't understand. Can't you people follow the law the way it ought to be done? You want to, or they want to settle it as of court. Yes, we have a lot of other cases that are ongoing. What has she done concerning that? I think the law needs to be followed. To me, this idea of calling the Chief Justice of Rivers State is uncalled for. That is where a lot of people are not comfortable on that. People are not comfortable on that. Can you just imagine? It's unfortunate. People are not comfortable with that process, because their processes with all this is, somebody's asking, what of the judges that have given some sort of a judgment concerning that case in Abuja where she resides? Why has she not done anything about it? No, tell me, why has she not called them? So some people feel it's an attempt to bully the Chief Justice of that state. Of course, these guys are not respected whatsoever in any form. They are not respected. The judiciary, as we speak in Nigeria, is not respected. You know what, they pick cherry what they want to do. See the case of Yaya there. All of them are looking the other way. I think somebody was giving an instance the reason why, or why it will be difficult for Yaya Bello's case to be, treated the way it ought to be treated, not to talk of arresting him. Is it possible? Yeah, we can see that, because they are all playing games. All playing games, from the presidency to the APC party to the EFCC, DSS, or the judiciary. They are playing games. All of them know exactly what they are doing. Nobody can tell us otherwise. But when it comes to this issue now, because we know that why will the Chief Justice not call summon the GCG of a River State? Is it not this same Wike that is building house for them? Hey, he's building house for them, so he's working. Somebody is saying that they should return all those gifts given to them by Wiki. Return what? In as much Tinubu is there, return what? And that is the exact thing he's trying to do now. Of course, they have to deliver. Wiki has promised them heaven and earth. This woman is going to be biased. There's no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. So you want to bully the, because I don't expect you to call the Chief Justice of the state unless you want to bully him or her. I don't know whether it's a male or female, but you want to bully the person, because this whole thing ought to be followed by law. Summoning, calling this and that. We know who you are working for. Everybody is watching. But even at that, whatever that happens, just like the lawmaker, Nigerian lawmaker who says it will make somebody disappear. I think the first time I heard that statement was from Apostle Suleiman, when he was talking on phone, that I will make you disappear and all of that. See, today nothing has been done about that incident. So I'm hearing again from somebody who calls himself honorable, or is being bestowed with that title honorable. We can see it's dishonorable. It's unfortunate. So we all are waiting. We keep our fingers crossed to see what is going to come out of this summoning, whether to bully or whatever. But of course, Nigerians already know the direction at which this whole thing is going. So guys, I leave your comment down there below and let's have your take. Thank you.